Hey guys, I'm here with my youngest. How old are you?
4.
And what's your name?
Janaya.
Janai. Janai is very excited. Why are you excited?
Because it's new school.
New school! Okay, so I'm going to cut it and you guys get to see what this new school is. I just want to make sure. I'm going to do this. I'm not going to cut it. Break the cake. Good idea?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, so you guys are all wondering what curriculum could this possibly be, right? You're wondering. Find out.
Where is it? Where's something?
We braved the icy roads to get this, right? It was dangerous today on the roads. It's snowing like crazy. But we're still excited, right?
Yep.
She's very excited.
I see something.
Open. It's very well packaged. Everyone was wondering. Okay. Here we go. Pull it out.
Two things. My own thing.
What is it, guys? Backwards. It is the Pre-K Good and Beautiful Arts. Letters A to F, Pre-K Alphabet Flip Book.
I want to do this.
Yeah, well, we're gonna do it. She told me that we are doing school right now, so we just got pizza, and it's gonna be pizza and school. That's what's happening. So we've got flip books, guys. A to F, M to S, G to L, T to Z. Woo, woo. Who's excited? And here's your course book. Look how cute that is. Let's see what's inside. Letters and sounds, vowels, and numbers. Wow. Are you excited to be at school? Are you going to learn all about your letters and your numbers?
I am very excited.
Excited. And what's this last thing in here? This is the activity packet. It's got Feed the Elephant, Letter Cube, Mouse House, Hide and Seek, Pets, Number Slider. So these are going to be cut out and put in Ziploc bags and in games and activities. All ready to go. Well, other than cutting. I might laminate because, you know, things like that. Laminate all the things, guys. Laminate all the things. All right, so there you have it. The Good and the Beautiful Pre-K program, which we're really excited about, obviously. Okay, say bye. Time to do school.
Bye. It's time to do school.